So you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel. Maybe you've seen some YouTube creators who are posting their income numbers and you are excited. Well, folks, not all of us are technically capable. Not all of us can afford the expensive gadgets. I have been on YouTube now for going on 5 years. I've created thousands of videos, none of them with edits. And I really focus on just creating value. If I was going to start a YouTube channel today, there's only one piece of equipment that I would buy. You certainly can go nuts and get a fancy camera. You can get fancy lenses. You can get lots of various lights. You can get stands. You can get signage. You can get stuff behind you. But in reality, I would create or get only one thing, and that would be this device. It is a very simple sub $50 item. For me, it plugs into my iPhone and it allows me to increase the sound. Yes, it is great to have edits. Yes, it is great to have great lighting. But if you had to start somewhere, I suggest you start with sound. What I want to do here is just bring up the exact one that I purchased and show that to you. I don't know why. Oh, there it is. And here you go. Oh, let's try that again. See, I told you, not technical. Share screen, share. There we go. All right. Sorry about that. So again, folks, what I would get is this exact one. If you had an iPhone, you can buy it. It plugs right in. I still use it today. I do a daily financial show called the Daily Financial News. Kicks off at 7:30 a.m. And again, yes, I have a whiteboard. Yes, I have some notes. But at the end of the day, if I was starting a YouTube channel and I did not have a lot of money, I would go ahead and get this microphone if you had an Apple iPhone or perhaps using your iPad. Yes, as you go on, as you build consistency, you can get lights, you can get props, you can get stands, but I do think you should get quality sound when you start out. Yes, I am speaking to you from a blue microphone. Yes, I have noise canceling headphones when I record interviews. But at the end of the day, the only tool I would buy is this. I'm going to go ahead and put a link below in case you want to look at this. Because again, this is what I use. And you can go to my live daily financial news that I record at 7:30. You can see it pen usually on my lapel, sometimes on my pocket. And there you go. All right, folks. I hope that's care. If you hope you like that. If you are starting your YouTube channel, I wish you nothing but success. Just record, or if you like, just go live. Give it a shot. Have a great day. Bye.